Every company needs people with visions. Because before every innovation, there's a vision.
We have the courage to change. In the 120 years of our history, we have always reinvented ourselves.
Today, our products and solutions make life easier for people in factories around the world.
We are pioneers. We shape social and industrial change.
We are made in Germany and globally successful. The secret of our success, our orange thinking.
We are one of the world's leading automation experts. We combine tradition and innovation.
For 120 years now,
we are KUKA.